Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're looking at today. We have a situation where we have two tables that are unrelated, and we want to retrieve only the latest deal model for each real estate model. The current approach involves using prefetch_related, but it seems like the result for list real_estates 0.latest_deals is coming up as an empty list. That's the crux of the problem we're facing here. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the solution. The proposed solution involves leveraging filter relation in Django to fetch the latest deal for each real estate in a more optimized way. By using outer ref, queue, and subquery, we can efficiently filter and annotate the latest deal for each real estate model. This approach should help us get the desired result without any empty lists. The key here is to ensure the conditions are set up correctly to fetch the latest deal for each real estate. In summary, we explored a problem where we needed to fetch the latest deal model for each real estate model efficiently. The initial approach with prefetch_related led to unexpected results, prompting us to consider optimizing the query using filter relation. By utilizing outer refs, queue, and subquery, we can achieve the desired outcome effectively. I hope this solution helps you overcome any hurdles you may have faced in fetching the latest deals for each real estate. Thanks for tuning in. And remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knows, maybe your comment will be the latest deal we discuss next time. Wikiface